Amazing places to visit in Thailand. Welcome to our video on the 10 amazing places to visit in Thailand. Thailand is a country with a rich cultural heritage, stunning natural beauty, and some of the most hospitable people in the world. It is a land of contrasts, where ancient temples stand side by side with modern skyscrapers, and where bustling cities coexist with tranquil countryside. In this video, we will take you on a journey to some of the most spectacular and awe-inspiring destinations in Thailand. Bangkok. Our first destination is the capital city of Thailand, Bangkok. It is a city of contrasts, where modern skyscrapers and ancient temples sit side by side. One of the must-visit places in Bangkok is the Grand Palace, which is a complex of ornate buildings and temples that has been the residence of the Thai royal family for over 2 centuries. Another popular attraction is Wat Pho, which is home to the largest reclining Buddha in Thailand. If you are looking for a shopping experience, head to the Chatuchak Weekend Market, which is one of the largest markets in the world. Chiang Mai. The next destination on our list is the city of Chiang Mai, which is located in northern Thailand. Chiang Mai is famous for its stunning temples, such as Wat Phra That Doi Suthep, which is located on a mountain overlooking the city. If you are interested in traditional Thai culture, visit the Ban Tong Luang village, which is a cultural village that showcases the traditional lifestyle of several hill tribes in northern Thailand. For nature lovers, there are many trekking and hiking opportunities in the nearby mountains and national parks. Ayutthaya. The ancient city of Ayutthaya is another must-visit destination in Thailand. It was once the capital of the Kingdom of Siam and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The ruins of the ancient city are spread over a vast area and include several impressive temples and palaces, such as Wat Mahathat and Wat Chewatthanaram. It is a fascinating destination for history buffs and anyone interested in ancient architecture. Phuket. The island of Phuket is a popular vacation spot that draws visitors from all over the world because to its picture-perfect beaches, glistening oceans, and exciting nightlife. Patong Beach, which is located in Phuket and is well known for its vibrant nightlife and variety of water activities, is considered to be the island's most well-known beach. Haron Beach and Kata Beach are a couple of the other well-known beaches in the area. You can find beaches that are less crowded and more isolated on the surrounding islands of Phi Phi and Koh Yo Noi, so consider going there if that is what you are looking for. Krabi. Krabi is another destination that is famous for its stunning beaches and natural beauty. The most famous attraction in Krabi is Railay Beach, which is accessible only by boat and is surrounded by limestone cliffs. Other popular beaches include Ao Nang Beach and Phra Nang Beach. For nature lovers, there are many hiking and trekking opportunities in the nearby national parks, such as Khao Phanom Bencha National Park and then Bok Korani National Park. Koh Samui. Koh Samui, which can be found in the Gulf of Thailand, is a stunning island destination. It is well known all around the world for its breathtaking beaches, waters that are perfectly clear, and exciting nightlife. Choeng Beach, which is located in Koh Samui, is considered to be the island's most well-known beach due to the vibrant nightlife and variety of water sports available there. Lamay Beach and Bafut Beach are a couple of the other well-known beaches in the area. There are a lot of possibilities for anyone who are interested in nature to explore the island's verdant forests and waterfalls. Sukhothai. UNESCO also recognizes Sukhothai, another ancient city in Thailand, as a World Heritage Site in its own right. It was the capital of the Kingdom of Sukhothai in the 13th and 14th centuries, and the remnants of the ancient city there are renowned for how beautifully they have been kept. Wat Mahathat, Wat Sai Chum, and Wat Saphan Hin are 3 of the buildings in Sukhothai that are often considered to be among the city's most eye-catching landmarks. History enthusiasts and anyone with an interest in old building will find it to be an enthralling place to visit. Pai. Pai is a small town located in the Mae Hong Son province of northern Thailand. It is a popular destination for backpackers and is famous for its laid-back atmosphere, stunning scenery, and vibrant arts and music scene. Some of the most popular attractions in Pai include the Pai Canyon, the Pai Night Market, and the Pai Walking Street. It is a great destination for anyone looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse themselves in nature and culture. Kanchanaburi. Kanchanaburi is a town located in western Thailand and is famous for its beautiful countryside, historic landmarks, and natural beauty. The most famous attraction in Kanchanaburi is the bridge over the River Kwai, which is a railway bridge that was built by prisoners of war during World War II. Other popular attractions include the Erawan National Park, which is home to a beautiful seven-tiered waterfall, and the Hellfire Pass Memorial Museum, which pays tribute to the prisoners of war who died building the Burma Railway. Chiang Rai. Our final destination is the city of Chiang Rai, which is located in northern Thailand. It is famous for its stunning temples, such as the White Temple, which is a modern temple that is adorned with intricate carvings and beautiful murals. Another popular attraction is the Black House, which is a collection of black buildings and sculptures that showcase the work of the renowned Thai artist, Thawin Duchani. For nature lovers, there are many opportunities to explore the nearby mountains and national parks, such as the Doi Tung Mountain and the Khun Korn Forest Park. That's it for our video on the 10 amazing places to visit in Thailand. We hope that you enjoyed the journey and that it has inspired you to explore this beautiful country. Thailand truly has something for everyone, from ancient temples to stunning beaches, from vibrant cities to tranquil countryside. So pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready to experience the wonders of Thailand. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel videos.